Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to make a COCOPUM soup. And here are the ingredients: onion, carrots, ginger, garlic, leeks, and the pumpkin itself. First of all, make sure that all your vegetables are washed and clean. Now we're going to cut our pumpkin. Peeling the pumpkin can be hard, so you have to use a sharp knife for an easy peeling. Then we cut our onion. We just cut roughly chopped. We peel our garlic. We just crush our garlic a little bit. Same applies to our ginger. We just roughly chopped it. We cut our leeks and make sure we have to clean our leeks. We use the white stem, the white part, that is the stem. Splitting it across, we have to check when it's dirty, so we have to clean it. After clean it, just see how good it looks like. Then we peel our carrots. Just cut them roughly. And that is our ingredients for the pumpkin soup. On your saucepan, we just add our corn oil. Then we put our butter. The reason why we put corn oil and butter, this is to help not to burn faster. We fry our onion. After sauteing our onion, we'll add a little bit of garlic and ginger. Until it's tying up. Then we put our leeks and we continue stirring it slowly until golden brown. And this is the reason why we cut our vegetable roughly, so that we can get all the flavors of every ingredient. And after achieving the golden brown, we have our cardamon pods. You just have to get the pods out by just cracking them. That's a little bit. We just use little pods of the cardamom. Just get the seeds out for the flavor. Then we put all our other ingredients all together. We give it a little bit of stir, a little bit of then we add our stock or water. For us, we're using water because we didn't have vegetable stock, but it's optional. Oops, the light went off, but that's all the part of the recipes. You let it boil a little bit, and then you just reduce the fire and you let it simmer. You can feel the flavors and the aroma that's get from this soup. Very nice. After 15 minutes, it's done. You just put it in a bowl and you let it cool. Process after cooling, you blend it up. This blend, we return it to the saucepan again and check the viscosity of the soup. Then we take our coconut cream, we just pour it around, and then we stir it up. This brings the coastal flavors. Back to the heat again, and we give it around 2 to 3 minutes, and our soup is ready. You can see the viscosity. It should not be so thick, already thick. It should be a little bit runny. And after that, we just put our seasoning and give it a little bit of some black pepper in it to bring that good flavor. And our soup is ready. Look at that. Serving it on a soup bowl or a soup plate or a soup cup, and garnish with a little bit of coconut cream and some chives. Now your COCOPUM soup is ready for you to dig in with a garlic toasted bread. And that's how we make our COCOPUM soup. And the taste is magic. A combination of pumpkin and coconut and a little twist of ginger. Wow, it's a must try soup. And for more recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, goodbye for now.